Hey Chris, what going? I can't swim in my shirt. No, you can't swim with your shirt. Wait there. Wait there, where you have under your shirt? Tell me how old you can.
Chris, why don't you want to take your shirt off?
Him some fat and sour.
Oh, honey, no one thinks you're fat.
Excuse me when I can't park on the car up on the table.
This is my son.
Sorry, my apologies. Yo, John, I'm fat boy. Wait, yo, don't listen to me, man. I'm gonna get you some.
Honey, if you want to lose weight, I'll put you on a diet and your father can help you exercise.
Pops, this time I get fatter. I lie at it. What are
Bovine lummox!
Chris, where have you been?
Pops bring me one place where them suck out the whole lot of fat out of my belly.
What?
Me not do it, man. I just stay up on my diet and exercise.
Good for you. That was a very grown-up decision. I mean, what kind of lazy, narcissistic, irresponsible moron would even consider doing something as unbelievably foolish as getting liposuction? Who, I ask you?
Guess how?
How? Peter, you can't just suck 200 pounds of fat out of yourself. It's not natural.
That nice me feel mad. You remember how you did feel when you get out Chris out of your belly with him? Yo, me can't see look at me, friends. Me can't see it no. Yo, surgery bad. Me I plan to go do like all my no.
It doesn't matter if your nose is a little bulbousy, or your eyes are too close together, or your chest is flabby. You are who you are.
I think me get what I say. Bad people there move.
Oh, this is crazy. You walk in here with your chiseled jaw and you... Oh, my. I liked you the way you were. You're not even real anymore. You really let this family down. We should be embracing the things God gave us, not telling our kids that a person's not as good as someone else because of the way they look.
Holy crap!
Hi, my name is John Kerr. I'm a younger pal with nice, good-looking people. Wait, me can't just skip all the people. You never been good-looking very long. People have looks like me and half of the nothing jar. You see, you didn't realize people do anything for good-looking. Hey, true, my good-looking, the door open for me. Hey, you see that? No, man, the door would have opened for you because you step on that. But it open anyways because of bad people settings.
Wow.
Hey, only for good-looking people there. Yeah, man, I good-looking people club this time. You knew it.
Peter, did you paste a new picture of yourself on our wedding portrait?
Yeah, man, say look better.
You pasted it over me.
I still say look better.
Have you lost your mind?
You're ugly, not shock.
Peter, have you forgotten about Chris? He needs you to help him exercise.
Yeah, he finally figured out how to catch the Twinkie.
Yeah, man, I hate you now. I got a good-looking place, and I guess him can come. Peter, the one and only good-looking, yo, forward with me. We have some good-looking people for sure. Yeah, there, what that? My son, him can't come in here. Him big and fat. Well, if my son can't come in, then me just I can come in then. Don't look for me, I'm big and fat.
Peter, how could you treat Chris that way? You know he's self-conscious about his weight.
Yo, the place hotter than normal?
Ryan, are you feeling all right?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
Oh, my God!
Yeah, Louis, the dog vomit.
Peter, Brian's clearly not feeling well. You gotta take him to the vet.
Unbelievable. Brian throws up once and you rush him to the vet. I was throwing up all night last night.
Just make sure I breathe, yeah, breathe.
Brian, your blood work shows that your liver isn't functioning properly. Now, the most obvious step would simply be to stop drinking. Well, we do have these pills that may correct the enzyme imbalance in your liver.
Yeah, that one there. Alright, I'm go down in the room at the bar, can I tell you?
It means they have to be inserted into the patient's anus.
Sorry for Brian, wait till him here, this
Mr. Griffin, I'm not joking, or a doctor. Now, you'll need to administer these pills, because no dog ever voluntarily takes a suppository.
Yo, bad charge, time for take a pill from a doctor. Oh, yeah, that. Yeah, you couldn't do that thing that you put in your food and act like me don't know. So, yeah, but why? Cause a food it a going on. Weird, what? Doctor saying I butt eat for go. No. You know me not go to battle here, brother. Don't to bottom dog. Yo, brother, come on. Brian, easy. Alright, I guess my forgot to sneak up on him. Alright, everybody get around, come. Too much poop a go on in the house. So anytime somebody want poop, I can just advise them to poop through the poop hole.
Are you insane?
Look, it's enough for worries and chick. As soon as Brian poop through it, me just down and push through.
No, absolutely not. I am not living like this.
Yeah.
You think...
Come on, hey, brother, come on, take your medicine. If you ever touch my body, you see, brother, no, me not care about no medicine, dog. Yeah, man, brother, bull nuts up in there. Ah! With the box cover, Brian, you bite me, but the doctor said, brother. John, oh, where that going from? Me defend.
I still can't believe Brian bit you.
Hey, Brian. Lift up out of seat, left for breakfast. But I'm a breakfast. Yo, Peter, I'm see I watch TV, you do me chores them yet? You do me them? Yeah, man, I'm gonna chores them, I'm back off my bill, man. I'm even jail too. Man, I wanna buy a birthday present for one of my dogs, them, is it?
Enough is enough, Peter. The dog's not in charge of this house. First thing tomorrow, I'm taking Brian to obedience school so we can get him back under control.
Listen up, maggots. You're in my house now. There are no belly scratches here. There are no table scraps. What we have here are good dogs. That's right. Silent and terrible, like the artist. I watch a lot of TV and movies. I am your media savvy worst nightmare. Now down, on all fours like the rest of them. That's right, we got ways to break your spirit. In fact, you seem like a prime candidate for the chair.
Brian, you forward back. Forward in, man. Forward in? You sure, though? So you think me now I can say it in a yard? Forward in. Me not care if it's the rest of my life. I'm sure I'm sorry.
Brian, what did they do to you at that school? You're so submissive.
Yeah, yo, Brian, I got two of first. Man, we go piss in a make bed. Man, piss in a make bed. Piss in a make bed. That's like pissing on the house. That's a bad dog stuff. I don't good dog stuff. That's a pissing on the house. Well, we ain't gonna go. Sorry, you have to forgive me, but I don't want you. We used to get so close and share the same thing. Me don't know what going for the man. It's like him I never used to just on dog or nothing like that. Him I did one friend. Him bite me. No, I'm never do. Where the rotted Peter? Me not. Oh, sorry. No, that good man. I saw you have to respond if nobody try to touch your body. You see, you have to bite them. The thing is that me just want my friends again for the doctor and medicine. So yeah. Hey, what's up? If you haven't yet subscribed, just subscribe. If you like this video, you can check out the channel also. Like comedy sketches, voiceovers like this one, yes sir. And just leave a comment if you like this video. Comments really important. So remember, leave a comment. Alright, back to the family guy. The water park. You catch a Lois? Everybody meet up back here so and don't drink the pool water, you didn't I say? So, what is the slide there? Just the man on this. Whoa, bomba! Yeah, bomba! Yeah. No, to granny panty, a coke him give me. You ready for ride the water slide now? A coke give me, sir? Brother, look for me. Friend, you look for me, sister, me a coke. Alright, dive anyway going in that thing, you see it? Oh. Out there. Road. Boom, wait there. Yo, I'm gonna catch you like, yo, easy like, bro. Mate, easy like. Yo, I know someone deal with this thing, brother. Out there.
You boy, you can give me a minute.
Yeah, but make me walk embarrassingly slow and retarded come to prove banana style. What you say now?
I'm a brush you come off in the water and see you take it up and put it in your shorts.
Oh, that's a 40 man, a simple thing. Just look for your and take it out.
Thanks. My name Trisha.
Krista.
Alright, me forgot now, cause my auntie away from me about later, so.
Yeah, and you shape around like the earth, like the world. You feel Miss World, you feel my girl, you see it. Razor blade, yo, you know, just like you dog. Brother, stop styling me, how are you, brother? Go out them mother, it's not for the jeans or jacket, and it have a mud jacket on them. I'm looking for Mr. Ferrari jacket. That's me, the only Ferrari. Yes. Yeah, sharp like half dozen pencil and 3 sharp knife. Brother, you can't blame me, I must have the jacket. Trisha, me never flop, so me go flip. Catch it free. And me I wonder if you like, we do road one day and thing.
Yeah, that's so nice, but I don't think you're going that with me.
Oh, me
Cause me have two pitney.
me pussy don't talk about what walk on. Yo, me no business if you have to open right. I said, where you say, walk on.
Yeah, not nice. Well, alright, see my number. Text me.
Yo, man, this feel good, dog.
Hi, is Peter Griffin here?
Oh my God.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it's just. You look just like.
Oh, I'm going to and I would supermodel this.
I'm Katie. I'm your daughter.
Yeah, I'm what? Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, I hope you don't mind the drop-in, but the sperm bank said it was okay to contact you.
No, just, I never know when I get jacket so soon.
Well, we were all pretty excited to meet you.
BBO.
We're all your children. We came from your semen. Semen. Semen.
Blood clot. It's not a bad word. Look, him just say a B word.
Peter, how many times were you a sperm donor?
Well, I just one time they do the doing about normal pre. After a while, you know, some of them get I just forget breed.
Listen, I want all of you to know how happy we are to meet you. In fact, this calls for a celebration. Can you all stay for dinner?
Aw, we'd love that. Wouldn't we, guys?
Send to flow over yourself. Put on piece of curry cat to me. Me searching my name, yeah? Wait, Lois. Not because the mama say I didn't me them father. Suppose no nasty like me. Look.
Daddy!
No jacket, but I'm nasty, no blood clot.
This is so exciting. For years, I have dreamed of one day traveling from Bavaria to play the accordion for my birth family. May I?
One question, brother. Where you get a clocks there?
Oh, I get that, because this comedy has just made it to Germany.
Wow, you look exactly like me.
Yeah, but no make that chick you could eat that girl is me have a chop up on the roof ready for snipe out your fire and bust your head, you see that? Nah man.
where are you?
I'm right here, Mom.
Well, look at your fine ass.
Me I eat it.
Damn right. I've been looking around this whole house for something to nibble on. I think I just found it.
Can't control hormones. Front, crotches, vagina, and what the back on them. Yeah, me have to go buy a house now. Louis, we can't keep that ugly one here.
No, they're too much work.
Me go mind my promise.
You always say that, and I'm the one who ends up feeding him and walking him and doing all the cleanup.
Excuse me, I'm a candidate for a doctorate in classics at Wesleyan.
Louis, you can talk. I'm a bright pitney.
Watch your steps, Empress. You know, say something about when your shots. I mean, if you carry on now.
Why, thank you. That's so sweet. You're the first person who looks anything like my husband who's offered to help in any way.
And my name is Grind. Joe Grind.
It's nice to meet you, Larry. A weird hands full pinky shake? I gotta tell you, it's so strange. You look so much like Peter when I first met him.
You're supposed to be seeing me too. You're not supposed to say full of shape all of you.
Wow, I do have tiny blue weights in my garage.
Hey, if you're new to this channel, I would just like you to hit that subscribe button. If you're not, I would just like you to hit that notification bell. Check out the channel with lots of other awesome content. You can find us at you can find me on Instagram at Tata Skits, the comedy sketches, and yeah. So that's it. I know me say that still watch a show and cook egg and franks, but not sure a sausage party alone today.
Oh, I love that movie. Chris, I'm having a really nice time with you.
For real? Alright, I know local French, you know, so me try talk to you in a French. Buski, yoski, uski, uski, nuski, luski, wuski, wuski, muski, guski.
What language is that?
You know French?
No, I'm Mexican.
Bloodski Klotski.
Hey, Chris, where are you off to?
You know, I want Philia calling me later. She and her picnic.
Wow, you two are spending a lot of time together. Are you sure you want to date a girl who's had so much experience?
What you mean by?
Like maybe she's got some city miles on her Volvo?
AC, good little one fix. You get that? With one on.
She's talking about her kids, Chris.
Oh, I'm not this.
I just want to make sure you're not getting in over your head.
So she don't know say your name submarine. Yo.
Oh, hello, Isabella.
Hi, Mrs. Griffin. Mr. Griffin.
So oh you stay up on my punch friend so.
Well, I guess you two have fun.
I can't see what I wanna find fault with do picnic and thing, but you have to pray man up and she hot.
Yeah, she is.
Well, me look a bit too much. Who that I'm a winner?
It's not me. I'm in your closet.
Lizzie. Oh yeah, do what you them want say.
Chris, I just wanted to say goodbye.
Come again?
I found out that I'm going to be deported. They're sending me back to Mexico in the morning.
So that you call me out of my bed for.
I didn't want to leave without saying goodbye.
Nothing go so yeah man. We can match out something, right?
Unfortunately, there's not. But don't worry, I'm planning on getting back into the country as soon as I can.
So yeah, go to left a pit in them with your mother?
I wish I could, but she works 7 days a week between housekeeping and being the new CEO of Yahoo.
Maybe we should drop you at one put yeah you.
No.
Improve our original content?
No.
So we make MySpace take a lead then.
We secondary email. People used to sign up for porn sites.